Cool. Let's go on to our last section. This is very easy. It's not easy. It's self-explanatory. It's our rapid fire.
Oh.
So we're gonna go one by one. I'll say the name first and then the question.
Okay.
Cool. Ayushi, how many days of leave have you taken in the last year?
Ask me.
More than 30.
Way more.
Mental.
Not more than 30.
Holidays are only once a year. 8 holidays.
Yeah. Last year was a really
travel.
full year, like weddings and like.
Preet, how many days did you take?
I just went to the States for about 20 days. Those were the days I was not active. Other than that, I've maybe taken like 8, 9
So
days
similar.
off in total.
Not bad, but you all have a healthy balance. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Right, Preet, did you have a question whether it was worth it?
Yeah.
Okay. Preet, what is the weirdest place from where you have worked?
How do I answer this question? We work out of cafes and stuff as much as we can. Maybe I think at one point we had a meeting in Bangalore and we used to work with our mentor at like this co-working space. It was really fun. We didn't have direct access to go there and work, but we'd like stay back and work.
I would say a car, dude. Like we sat in cars.
That is
and
so
taken,
normal.
like, calls
That's
and,
normal.
Like been in
Yeah.
front of the video and all. Like that's.
Yeah, that's normal. No, I'm sure there's been more weird situations.
Yeah, even
it's
I'm
just not coming to me.
Alrighty. Ayushi, what was your proudest moment with Adapt?
I think when we cracked our first 2 colleges, which was like a great revenue boost for us.
Okay. Preet, what was the one time you felt like you let Adapt down?
I feel like when there was this phase, I think in 2021, transitioning to 2022, where just for 2 months I was not able to give myself entirely, be very present at work. At that point, I felt like I let Adapt down a little, but I needed that for my personal.
Yeah.
Fair. What is the scrappiest thing that y'all have done to build your business?
We made Canva posts for 1.5 years straight. So we
Nice.
would do it.
Also, at every party we used to go to in college, we used to make people
Follow us. Not just like
Nice.
not like college parties, like outside. We'd go outside, like to restaurants.
Like when
and
we were in
clubs.
college and we used to go like out for like a meal or like to a restaurant or a club or something, we would like just our motto was let's go to people and get them to follow.
Wow.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
we just go like chat, make conversation, be like, hey, by the way, just can you follow this page? And then we did.
Yeah.
Damn.
Nice.
So your parties were networking events.
Yeah,
Yeah.
basically.
Got it.
Ayushi, what did you do with your first profit?
Save it.
Okay. Preet, which hobby of yours did your work kill?
I feel like it's just helped me grow my hobbies, honestly, because it's made me realize that there are things that I love doing and I want to do more of. So I work out consistently. I've started reading. Like I know what's good for my mental health after this. A little bit of, I would say, dancing has been killed because I just don't get the time.
Nice. Okay. Not the dancing part, but the rest of it.
Painting, I would say a little bit.
Painting keeps coming and going.
Yeah. But
Dancing
she
is
is
fully
so
killed.
great. She was
Yeah.
so great in the middle. Like I think only recently she started like a little by little, but I think for 2 years straight, like there was nothing.
Yeah.
And she's really good.
Okay, now answer together. Do you prefer books or podcasts?
Recently, books.
Okay. iPad or notebook?
iPad.
Notebook.
Okay. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Morning.
Night.
And what's your favorite social media platform?
Sadly, most used Instagram. Favorite, I would say is like
Adapt app.
don't think I have a favorite per se. Most used Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
Instagram.
So that concludes our rapid fire.